Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm stuffing from my wallet. I have just a few purchases that I made. I'm stuffing from my envelopes. And I have a few purchases that I made I'm going to take back to the bank since I already spent from them. And then I will do some condensing once I'm done unstuffing. This one's going to be a quick unstuffing. It's pretty straightforward. I have 3 things here on my list, on my unstuffing sheet. The first one I'm going to do is coffee. That's $30. So this is all going back to the bank. And I'm just going to check off and highlight. Okay, so that's $30. Next, I have clothing. I've been buying clothes for my upcoming trip. And if I like it, then I'm taking it out of my envelope because I've been buying some things off of Amazon just to try on. There's a couple of things I need to return. So I'm thinking once I decide whether I like it or not, I will take it out of my envelope. So I have a few things that I need to take out. I have a couple of things that I'm kind of iffy on, so I might return them. If I do, then I won't have to worry about stuffing it from the envelopes. But if I end up keeping them, then I will have to pull from these envelopes. So far I have a couple of jeans and some nice jackets that I've purchased, and that was $130. So that's 100. Oh, perfect. I have 130. So 120, 30. Going back to the bank. That leaves me with 50, 70, 95, 96 in clothing. 96 was 130. All right, so that one is done. And the last thing I finally purchased, I've been going back and forth. I went to a couple of stores to make sure I was making the right decision. I checked out like Kohl's, I checked out like TJ Maxx, those kinds of stores. But I had my eye on a certain set of luggage from Bays, and I did buy my suitcase, I bought a luggage, I bought a bag to take with me on the plane, and then also some compression cubes. So that all came out to $450. It was a little pricey, but I also had 20% off, so I did get a little bit of a discount on this order, which was good. And yeah, so I had gone in a few stores. I ended up going to Bloomingdale's because I live out here in San Diego, and the Bloomingdale's had the Bays luggage there, but I didn't want to buy it at the store. I wanted to buy it online so I can get the discount and free shipping. So I just went there and checked them out, and I like them, so I got them. So I'm going to take back $450 from here. So 100, 200, 300, 450. I'm left with $20 in travel. So that was the big thing I really needed to get because my suitcase is kind of falling apart. My current one is falling apart. I've had it for a bit, so it was time to upgrade on my luggage. And that's $20 left in travel, which I guess I can condense right now. We'll just put this here. So 20. So minus 450. Left with 20. Okay, so I still need, what do I need to get? Just like small things I need to get with this. So yeah, not too much. And I'm going to be adding, I still have a few more weeks until my trip, so I can still make some purchases. All right, so that is everything, those 3 things, but they were kind of big quantities, at least on a couple. So my total that I should have on my tray is 610 is going back. All right, so let me double check, make sure I have 610 here. So I have 200, 300, 400, 550, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, and 10. So 610. Did I say 50? 450, wait. 10, 100, 200, 300, 400, 550, 60, 70, 80, 90, 610. Okay, just want to double check. All right, so 610. Now, that is all the unstuffing I need to do. Pretty easy one this week. And then now I'm just going to condense some envelopes since I do have some 100s and 50s that I can keep in my envelopes. So, let's see. I feel like this one could use some condensing. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure which. Oh, maybe emergency or month ahead. Maybe month ahead. So this one has, yeah, I can do a couple hundreds in here. So 200, I'll just put the 200 in this envelope here. And then I have nothing else. Okay, so in month ahead, I have 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So 349 plus 1,000 is 1,349 in month ahead. All right, I'm just gonna go down the line with these envelopes. Auto only has 20, electronics has 208. So maybe I can do some 50s in here. I have so many 50s. Okay, never mind. On that one. Emergency, maybe? Nope. One day I will get myself to the bank and get hundreds, but today is not the day for that. Okay, 35, so that one's good. Furniture has 180, so I could do a 10 on this one. So that's 150, 70, 80 in furniture. Did that one. Rainy day. Let's see. A 10. So that's 100, 250, 70, 80. 280 in rainy day. That one's done. Road trip only has 5. Scentsy has 31. So that one I can do a 10 in here. So that's 20, 31. Subscriptions. That one's good. Travel's good. Okay, that's all I can do there. Let me go to, guess I'll do this one. Go Wild. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, nope, nothing. Okay. It's very exciting condensing. Disneyland, no. Fun. How much do I have in here? 30. Another 10. Okay, so that's 30 and fun. Treat yourself. I can do 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, so I could do a 20. 10, 15, 20. Oh, I have no 20s. Never mind. I could do a 10. I could do a 10 here. All right, so we have 10, 20, 35, 36, 37. And in Treat Yourself, I have 500 in the bank, so that's 537 in Treat Yourself. Hobbies, 145. So that one's good. Christmas. Nothing. Holiday decor. Once again, nothing. All right, so that one's good. And then let me go in here. But I would have more, I'm sorry. Let's see, this one maybe. A 10, my last 10. The 10s have been coming in handy. So that's 11 in here. Okay, maybe this one. Could use some 50s. Maybe. So 20, 30, 40, 50. I could do 150 over here. 20, 30, 40, 50. Gives me some more 20s and 10s. That's it for that one. I'm almost done with this challenge, which is very exciting. Probably next week I will be done with this one. Okay, cash stash. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, that one's good. All right, and then one more binder to condense, which is this one. Beauty has 45. So So that one looks good. Clothing is, did I condense this? It looks pretty good. It has 96, so yeah, that one's good. Family is good. Gifts, let's see. I actually like this mixture, so we're gonna keep that as it is for gifts. Household has 20, so I can do a 20 for household. Okay, and then pantry's good. Home has 12, so that's good. Target has 10, so I could do a 10 for this one, because 2 5s, 10. Okay, not very exciting, but you know, did what I could do with what I had, so that's good. All right, now I'm just gonna double check and make sure I still have 610. So 100, 200, 300, 450, 450, 470, 80, 90, 500, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 600, 510. So 610. Correct. All right, so that is it. It's pretty short, unstuffing and condensing. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to do that. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, thank you again so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.